This is my first React and Webpack video tutorials. I've been following the ReactJS for more than 2 or 3 months, and what I most like about the ReactJS is its component way of thinking. So, what is component? You can simply see a page render in the web browser. It has got the source input box, table headers, and the table list. So you can separate different part of the web page into different components. So I have defined source component for the source input box. I have made another components for the table headers and its header component, and the last is a list component, which is for the table list. So let's type into the code. Okay, so let's import React from the React library. Beside that, you can also import the component method uh, here. So now you can define your class. Guys, it's really important that you follow the standard convention. In the source component name, I just made the first letter of the source component uppercase, which is really important. You follow the standard convention. So now we are going to extend the component inside the source component. The extend exposes all the functionality related to components into the source component. Okay, now every component has its own render function. It simply returns the JSX, which is similar to HTML. So now we are going to return the JSX markup. So now it has got uh, input box. We are defining the source component. So here is the input box here. So now source box, let's say source box. Okay, so this component renders the input box, and each input box has its different events. So now let's say let's define the onChange event, and we are calling the handle function uh, inside the onChange event. So it's really important you bind the function. Okay, so it's bind the context. So here is a handle function. Okay, so you can get the value uh, from the input box. Okay, so you can see a simple source component which renders the JSX markups and listens the onChange event and call the handle function inside the source component. So this much for this video, guys. I will keep uploading more videos on the ReactJS, so keep following my videos on ReactJS. Hope you like this video.